Welcome. If you've recently updated your Instagram app on PC and noticed that some group messages are muted, don't worry. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to unmute group messages quickly and easily with the new update. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Here, click on the messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane or speech bubble, depending on your version. This will take you to your direct messages. Next, scroll through your conversations and open the group chat that you want to unmute. It's important to select the right group, especially if you're part of several chats. Once you're inside the group message, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an info icon, usually represented by a small circle with an eye inside. Click on this icon to access the group's settings and details. Now, in the group info panel, you'll find several options related to the chat. Look for the setting labeled Mute Messages. If this option is enabled, it means you won't receive notifications from this group. To unmute the group, simply click or toggle off the Mute Messages option. Once disabled, you will start receiving notifications for new messages from this group again. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted your group messages on the Instagram app for PC. This simple process helps you stay connected and ensures you don't miss out on important conversations with your friends, family, or colleagues. Remember, Instagram updates its features regularly, so it's always good to explore the settings if something looks different. But with these straightforward steps, you'll be able to manage your message notifications like a pro. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying in touch with your groups on Instagram.